Hey friends! Now let's take a look at the animator. You click here in the animator and there's nothing on the inspector. So what do? Here in the animation we had this animator. And here you can see the animator is a state machine. Should probably know the theory on how state machines work. It will stay only in one state and each state controls where it goes to. So we have our entry state, which is automatically where it starts, and then we have our first transition. Here is the transition, the arrow, to the ship animation. So the animations stay here inside this animator. Let's press start to show how it works. And it stays on the ship animation for 3 seconds. That's how we set that up. And then it keeps resetting since it doesn't have anywhere else to go. So let's change this a bit. Let's create another state. And right click here, make transition to the new state. And press play. There's nothing in this new state. Here, finish that and then go to the new state and stays there since the new state doesn't have anywhere else to go. Doesn't have any transition from the new state to another state. Let's check here first. Here you can see the motion, which is the animation clip. You can change the speed here instead of changing in the animation itself, and a bunch of other stuff like making a mirror and check how the transitions are set up. Here in the new state we have no transitions. Now clicking here on the arrow, which is the transition, we can check the conditions for this transition to happen. Currently there are no conditions, only the has exit time. Has exit time means that it will finish the animation and then it will go automatically to the next one. So let's check here. It's going to finish this animation and then it goes to the next one. What if we unmark this? It will actually pop a warning there saying, hey, this will be stuck there. Yeah, it's stuck there. There's absolutely no way for this transition to ever happen. So instead of has exit time, we could have a parameter here. So here on parameter, let's make a trigger one. A condition. not sure what to say there. Okay, and now here in the transition, we add a condition. The trigger is essentially a bool that unmarks itself after working. Yeah, you'll see how this works. So here we don't have has exit time anymore. So it stays there forever, right? Unless I click here and then it changes the state. You could notice that it was not at the end of the ship, but I clicked while it was around 50% and the transition happened. So it doesn't care about finishing the animation before changing, if the has exit time is turned off. Now let's turn it on and check how that works. I'll wait for it to be around the... Okay, I clicked, it didn't change. It waited to finish the animation and then it goes to the new state. So the has exit time is an additional condition for it to finish the animation before moving to the next one. So there are many animations that will require that. And here you can press it, that doesn't matter anymore, the new state doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so now we know how that works.